September 2024, we produced our mixed-source ground station software, UniGCS, which compatible with the Mavlink products, SIYI and third-party products. Optimize the operational logic to make the operation of drones and intelligent robots more simplified and accessible to the general public. 1 year later. Today, we officially launched the UniGCS version 2.0. Added various key functions, including RTK, various intelligent route modes, point-to-point navigation, ESC information display, terrain following, and so on. Make the operation of drones and intelligent robots more professional, simpler, and smarter. During scenarios such as electrical inspection, forest inspection, and surveying and mapping, the RTK function can significantly improve operational accuracy. UniGCS integrates dual-mode RTK, trip network RTK, and USB base station RTK. Connect the USB cable, set the correct parameters, you can quickly realize the RTK setup. Enjoy the centimeter-level operational accuracy. Through the new oblique photography route, you can achieve 5-lens camera mapping effect with just a single lens camera. After successful route configuration, the drone will automatically plan 5 overlapping flight paths with different lens orientations, efficiently collecting 3D surface data for scenarios like urban modeling and engineering surveying. On the page of route planning, UniGCS will estimate route lengths, number of waypoints, flight time, number of photos, and survey area for the current route. Help operators quickly preview the route plan. UniGCS also supports importing routes in KML format or waypoints format, and export the planned route as waypoints format. Flight routes can be synced via cloud based on user accounts, enabling collaborative multi-user operations. During a mission, UniGCS can provide you real-time task progress prompt. Through the dynamic progress bar appears below the title bar, indicating the completed route percentage. UniGCS support voice broadcast function, which can provide real-time audio alerts for critical flight statuses.
Altitude 100.0 meters, speed 6.6 meters per second.
With the new point-to-point navigation function, the operator can directly long press any location on the map to pop up fly to window. Enter the specified altitude, and the drone will fly from its current location to the target point. In large-scale missions, you can also realize resume mission from waypoint function. After a mission interrupted, the drone can continue the remaining route from the waypoint before the interruption point, without starting over from the beginning. Make large-scale surveying missions more professional and simpler. With the new bevel route function, you can easily realize close-range photography of vertical surface such as retaining walls and embankments. The drone will maintain a constant offset distance relative to the surface contour, suitable for cleaning drones or precise surveying of mapping drones. For example, in urban mapping tasks, key buildings usually require higher 3D modeling accuracy. With the bevel route function, the operators can achieve high-resolution imaging of structural details. Moreover, for the linear scenarios such as highways, rivers, railways, and pipelines, with the new corridor route function, support automatic turn connections and dull coverage sacking. Improve the efficiency in linear engineering surveys and linear map production. During highway inspection, through the new terrain following function, UniGCS can generate a variable altitude route. The drone will dynamically adjust the route altitude based on DEM elevation data to follow terrain undulations. Maintain a constant relative altitude between the drone and the terrain. Ensure safety and precise inspection. This function can be further applied to inspection, surveying, and agricultural operations. Ensure the operation simpler, smarter, and safer. With software as the core, we are building a mixed-sour open ecosystem. UniGCS further connect the SIYI hardware ecosystem. Based on the information backhaul between autopilots and propulsion system, you can check out real-time information such as current, voltage, temperature, and motor speed of each ESC on the drone. Identify issues promptly, ensure the operational safety. Compatible with Mavlink-based products, SIYI, and third-party products. Combine the seamless compatibility and ease of integration of open-source ecosystems and the user-friendly simplicity of closed-source solutions. Improve the demand response speed and product innovation capability of intelligent robotics industries. Lower the operational threshold, make the operation of drones and intelligent robots more professional, simpler, and smarter.